My bad, everyone. Alright, let's get started here. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so what's up, guys? My bad for getting started a little late here today. Kind of got lost track of time when I was getting ready. But we're all good now. Alright, so today is Friday, June 24th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Yes, huge day today. All around. And it's hot, too. 80 degrees. I'm sweating bullets in here. Got my audio equipment showing, too. All over the place today. Alright, that should be good. What up, Swarly? Or Swarls? What's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Appreciate you, as always. So, yeah, Tendy Town. Much needed. Huge day in the stock market and crypto. Major price action. Major price action. And, yeah, great way to end the week here. Strong way to end. Certainly not complaining, because I thought today would be red. We're taking bets yesterday, red or green. I was like, I bet you it's red, but big green here today. I do want to show you SPY real quick, though, because it did gap up. But we'll get to that in a second. What up, Beelzebub? What's up, dude? AMC Mullen were going down today, and in the last 30 minutes, they just reversed all their losses. Yeah, I think AMC was an honorable mention. I'm not sure about Mullen, but I know AMC was down a few percent. I could double check here. It's actually up 3% now. And Mullen is also an honorable mention. Finished 0. And I guess Revlon's also another honorable mention. Wow, what happened to MMAT? I didn't even see that. That's down 42%. I did not even see that. I'm looking at some stuff now. Boxed MMAT. MMAT went down 43%. What the hell happened there? Alright, whatever. But yeah, congrats to AMC and Mullen Apes there. Mullen, small spike aftermarket due to Russell inclusion. Yeah, so it's probably going to keep spiking up little by little all the way through Monday morning, Monday pre-market. Okay. So yeah, appreciate everyone for being here. Show starting a little slow today, but that's all right. Hopefully more people come in and chat. Friday is the best day for streaming, and it was a great day in the market. So, you know, usually in conditions like this, we have a great show. But regardless, got a great show for you guys today. I don't have too much planned, to be honest. Not really too much to talk about. Kind of a subpar week. Retail's not really interested in too many things. But as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today I got 3 articles. Got some pretty significant news today. One about Harmony Protocol. That is DeFi. DeFi coin. Got hacked there. We'll take a look at what's going on. And then we got some pretty big news about gun control. Yeah, we got some pretty big news about gun control, you know, which is a big issue in America right now. So we finally got some resolution as to that. And we also got some big news on Roe v. Wade, which is about... I don't want to get flagged by YouTube here, but that's about abortions. So I'm not sure what I can say and not say, so kind of walking on eggshells here. But yeah, got 3 articles. Today we're going to discuss TBLT, which is ToughBuilt Industries. ToughBuilt Industries. Yep, that's in the description, or in the title. And that didn't get so many mentions. Only like 4,000 mentions, but that was one of the hottest stocks today and some of the biggest price action. So we'll get to that. I wasn't going to do Revlon. did it yesterday, but that does deserve an honorable mention. But yeah, for now, we're just going to do TBLT. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And there's a good amount of Yolos today. Good amount of memes and lost corn. So yeah, today should be fun. Should be pretty chill. Nothing too serious. Probably aim for hour and a half today. Probably going to do hour and a half. Unless you guys come in and chat, which I always welcome. And like I said, Friday is usually the best day for streaming. So, but we should be done with business by hour and a half. And we can chill later if you guys want to. Go with me, cool with me. PSNY, when is a good point to short? Lol, any stocks related to abortion laws? Want to know if it's possible to capitalize on it? PSNY, is that... We'll check it out here. But I'm no expert on abortion stocks, so we'll check it out here. What up, Easy? What's up? Give everyone the what's up.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Alright, and let's begin. Polestar spec. Alright. I think I saw something on Discord about that. I like briefly skimmed it. I think you guys were talking about like GGPI and Polestar, and yeah, we'll check it out. Alright, let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Okay. And let's do it. Alright, so first let's look at SPY. It is pulling back here a little bit. But yeah, you see today this gapped up at 379. So this is probably coming back down at 379. A lot of gaps to fill, actually. This one may have gotten filled. 390-ish. So yeah, this should come back down to 379, fill this gap. But then also eventually should come back up to 401 to fill this gap. So yeah, so big price action today, but I think we're due for a little bit of a pullback here. Just my opinion, though. Now we'll look at PSNY. Alright, so this is brand new IPO. So I can't really comment on this. Interesting, though. Polestar Automotive Holding. Isn't the same thing? Oh, I guess Gore's Guggenheim isn't a thing anymore. Because I thought this was Polestar. But this just ended today, and PSNY is now live. Alright, let's see what happened here. Yeah, so I can't really comment on this too much. It's an IPO, but just be careful when it comes to this stuff. High risk, high reward. You know, these IPOs are very, very unpredictable. So it's going to be a lot of price action. If you want to play it, you know, get in, get out. Get your money, get out. Swing trade. Definitely wouldn't hold this. This could end up being like Rivian 2.0. Okay. Start on the red side. Let me check YouTube real quick. We're at 3 viewers, 6 likes. Thank you, guys. Yeah, looks like today's a little slow. Or starting a little slow today. Hopefully that changes. A little weird. Because like I said, usually Fridays is the best day for streaming. And during green days, there's usually more people in here. That's alright. Hopefully they come in later. Okay. So I'll start on the red side here. So the Dow Jones up 2.68%. The NASDAQ up 3.49%. Huge day for the NASDAQ. And the S&P up 3.06%. Let's go. Yeah, major price action on the green side. Huge day for the stock market. Great way to end the week. But as we just saw at SPY, it does kind of look bearish now. But certainly not complaining. Huge rip here today in the stock market. I will take it. As for the VIX, VIX is down 6.27%, down 1.82 points. So we're now at 27.23 for the VIX. So still not great, 27 VIX, but You know, we were in the 30s not so long ago. So, same old stuff for 2022. You know, spending all of our time trying to get under 20 VIX, and then it goes right back up. So, nothing new here. Not a great VIX, but heading in the right direction. So, yeah, overall, great day in the stock market here. Let's check out some individual quotes. I saw the black phone last night, and it was really good. Yeah, I think I saw some commercials about that. You know, I do like horror, but there aren't many good horror movies. Jordan Peele has some good horror movies. But all right, shout out to you, Beelzebub. I'll check it out. The Black Phone. It looked pretty decent. I don't know, but you know, it's hit or miss with horror. I'll check it out though. All right, so we'll start on the red side. What's up with MMAT? I do not know what happened to MMAT, but it got wrecked today, down 74 cents, down 39%. Let's check that out. That's really, really bad. Oh, 50 million direct offering. Well, that would do it. That would do it. Wait, what do we have here? Centro, 8.5%. XCLA pulling back, 8%. Damn, BBIG getting wrecked. 7.7%. ATER, 7%. A lot of memes here. GME, 4.8. Clover, Wish, SOS, PHUN, Verizon. Verizon in here for some reason. Bed Bath & Beyond, Ocugen, Nikola, Ride, Redbox, DWAC, Novavax, Gold, Silver. Yeah, not much value here. Mostly just memes. So, yeah, memes getting hit pretty hard here. Not all of them, though. But yeah, it looks like for the most part, value is in the green. So, not much in the red. But some apes did get wrecked here. And let's go to the green side. Not going to spend too much time here because pretty much everything's in the green. Let's check it out. And here comes our first siren of the day. My apologies, guys. Got to talk over it. Alright, looks like travel and oil is up. Norwegian up 15%. HUSA 12.5%. Carnival 12%. MGN Win got some hotels there. Wayfair 10%. MicroStrategy up 9%. Yeah, it looks like crypto's doing really well today. Crypto and crypto stocks. DraftKings, Palantir, Wells Fargo really good, 7.5%. Affirm, Salesforce. Facebook, Meta's up 7% today. Got American Airlines, INDO, Coinbase 6.5%, eBay 6.3%, SoFi up a lot. More airlines, JetBlue, Boeing, AMD big day, 5.64%, Nvidia 5.55%. Hilton, more hotels there. Delta, more airlines. Nvidia, already said that. GM 5.55%, big day there. Square, DoorDash, Snapchat, Sundial. Financial's doing really good. Here's Discover, Marathon, Morgan Stanley, PayPal, Google, Paramount, Netflix did really good, 5% there. Southwest, Ally Bank, more airlines and financials. There's Alibaba, China doing really good. Marriott's there. 420 doing good. Spotify, Nike, Tesla, big days. Neo, Visa, Li Auto, Disney, Amazon. Yeah, value is mooning here. A lot of value. Huge value day. Or a lot of value in the green, rather. Microsoft, BP, American Express, Chipotle, Pfizer, JP Morgan. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, pretty much everything in the green, especially value. So yeah, both growth and value doing really good today. Some growth in the red, but most of the values in the green. So major win for the boomers and most apes as well. Some apes got wrecked, but yeah, overall really good day in the stock market. So I will take it. I will take it. Great way to end the week here. Dick's Sporting Goods is helping with travel costs of people wanting to go to states to have abortion. Yeah, I think a few companies are. I think Disney said they'll do it. I think J.P. Morgan said they'll do it. We'll check it out here in a sec. I got an article about that coming up. But yeah, a lot of these companies don't even believe in what they preach. It's just, virtue signaling to get more consumers buying stuff from them. Go woke, go broke, right? BOXD is ripping. Yeah, I did. Someone asked me about that in the comments the other day. Yeah, it looks really bullish to me. This did make top 10 StockTwits, honorable mention. Just not too many mentions, like 2,000. So we're not going to talk about it, but yeah, this was a popular stock today. BOXD. Okay, crypto time. One second here. Let me pull that up. And let me check YouTube. We're at 5 viewers, 6 likes now. Thank you guys. A little more people in here. Please smash that like button if you haven't yet. And it's going back up a little bit. Alright, so here's crypto. That's up 3.42% today. Very nice, very nice. Not a crazy day in crypto, but, pretty good price action here on the green side. I will definitely take it. Let's check it out. So trending, we got Urine Finance, Bitcoin, and DFI money. DFI money, interesting. And let's get on to crypto here. So Bitcoin up a little bit, 1.3% over 21K. Big day for Ether, almost 9% over 1200 again. Binance 4.3, big day for XRP 9.5. Big day for Solana 11%, Cardano 6, Doge 5, Sheep 6.5, Avalanche 11. A lot of price action here. Leo is down. Polygon 12.4, FTX up, Chainlink up, Chronos up. Monero 6%, Ether Classic 5.3. Bitcoin Cash up a little bit. Yeah, a lot of green. I don't see too much red here. Let's sort this out. But it looks pretty damn bullish to me. Start on the red side. One, two, three. Yeah, so we got a whole 4 coins in the red here. 4 coins in the red. We'll call it 5. Let's be a little generous. So 95% of the coins in the red, or excuse me, in the green, 5% in the red. Yeah, only coins in the red. Harmony, by far the biggest loser, 5%. Then we got Leo, Nexo, and Pax Gold. That's it. So not many coins in the red, not much price action. And yeah, complete opposite on the green side. Everything in the green, 95% of the coins in the green. A lot of price action. Biggest scanner storage, 22%. That's up almost 100% on the week. Then Axie Infinity, basic attention. Biggest value coin, Polygon, Avalanche, Solana, and XRP, and Ethereum. So, yeah, huge day for crypto. And the stock market. Everything ripping today. A lot of green today. Much needed. So, definitely not complaining. I will take it. Great day to end the week here. Great way to end the week. Okay, let's, give me 1 second here. Let me pull up some articles. Got 3 of them today. Kazarice. Haven't seen you here before, so welcome to the show and the community. BOXD is paying off. Yeah. So we didn't ever look at it on the show, but it definitely is. It definitely looks really bullish here. RSI is at 31 now, so not oversold and undervalued anymore, but big cup and handle. There's the gap down. Low RSI, MACD's crossing, so a lot of bullish stuff going on here. Looks really bullish. Should come back up to 535 to fill the gap there and possibly higher to complete the cup. So yeah, looks really good. Looks really bullish in the short and long terms. So not financial advice. Shout out to you guys. And what up, Punk Skater? What's up? I bought a 378 SPY call expiring Monday that's up 535%, but then I realized it was a paper trade.
Bruh.
Damn, that's rough, dude. That's rough. I mean, at least he didn't lose money. But yeah, you would have thought. You would have thought. You're like, I'm going to go get myself some nice dinner tonight. Go hire a service provider that looks like my neighbor. Psych. Yeah, that's really, really unfortunate, but oh well, what you gonna do? Could have been worse, could have been worse. But shout out to you, dude. Thanks for being here, as always. Appreciate you. Alright, let's get back to the news today, and please smash that like button if you haven't yet, guys. Alright, so today I got 3 articles. One about Harmony Protocol, which is a DeFi coin. One about gun control, and one about Roe v. Wade. Let's do it. So I'm not going to read this whole thing, but yeah, Harmony Protocol, which we just saw, number 100 on CoinMarketCap. They got hacked for $100 million in Ether. So yeah, like 86,000 Ether got moved. And they notified various exchanges to shut down the Horizon Bridge. And now it's the case is being worked on by the FBI and cybersecurity firms. So, not that long of an article here, but it's pretty significant. $100 million, that's on the higher end. I think the highest hack we saw is 600 mil. And on the lower end, some companies get hacked for a couple mil. But 100 million, that's definitely not cheap. And very unfortunate. But this stuff is normal now. Very sad. But yeah, someone gets hacked. People get hacked. Coins get hacked. Institutions, companies, every single day. This stuff is legit. You know, cybersecurity is very important nowadays. So, you know, hope they catch the guy. Probably not going to happen, but hope they catch the guy. Hope they freeze all his wallets, and hopefully they can recover their money. You know, I hate it. I hate to see when people lose their money. They get hacked. It's not even their fault. So, unfortunate stuff. But I hope it works out for everyone involved in Harmony right now. The employees and investors. What up, Roller? What's up? Thanks for being here. Coming in straight with the articles. Alright, got you, dude. Please smash the like button. Alright. So this stuff, next 2 articles, not really financially related, but big news, so we'll get to it. Congress passes most significant gun reform bill in decades, sends it to Biden. Shout out to Joe Biden. Congress passed the most significant federal gun restrictions in decades, sending the bill to President Joe Biden's desk. The measure aims to strengthen background checks for the youngest buyers, close the so-called boyfriend loophole, and incentivize states to pass red flag laws. While Democrats wanted to go further to rein in gun violence following the Buffalo and Uvalde shootings, they could get Republicans to agree to only the more modest measures. Okay, so yeah, we actually did get some legislation here. Not much, but it's better than nothing. I guess he had to do something. Let's see here. Yeah, so enhanced background checks for 18 to 21-year-olds. So I guess you have to be a little older now to buy a gun. 3 years older. So I guess that's a little bit of a deterrent. And there's the boyfriend loophole. I don't own guns, so I don't know any of this stuff. But there's the boyfriend loophole. which means you can't get guns if you're not married. Or it restricts gun ownership for domestic violence offenders who are not married. So if you are married, you can get one? Is that how it works? Kind of weird. Okay. It also says it funds school safety and youth mental health. And it would set up grants for states to encourage red flag laws, which allow for police or relatives and acquaintances to petition courts to order the removal of a gun. All right. So, yeah, nothing that crazy here. But looks like we are getting some gun reform. Honestly, in the grand scheme of things, I don't think it's going to help that much, but hey, it's something better than nothing. It's progress. It's progress. So it's really more political than anything to me, it seems like, you know. I don't think it's really going to stop mass shootings per se, but it's more symbolic, it seems like, than anything. So, yep, we did get some gun reform here. All right, and other piece of news. Several U.S. states immediately ban abortion after Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade. So this was a big story today, probably the biggest story. Key points. Abortion bans in Louisiana, Missouri, Kentucky, and South Dakota went into immediate effect after the Supreme Court's ruling overturning Roe v. Wade. At least 13 states have laws on the books that either ban abortion immediately or will do so soon. In Missouri, anyone who performs an abortion will face a 5 to 15-year jail sentence unless the procedure is done in the case of a medical emergency. All right, so yeah, they really did it. Supreme Court really did it. So yeah, you can't get abortions now in a lot of states, at least. So yeah, Louisiana, Missouri, Kentucky, South Dakota can't get it anymore. And others to follow. It says Idaho, Tennessee, and Texas will implement bans in 30 days. And Arkansas, Mississippi, Missouri, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Utah, and Wyoming will go into effect after bureaucracies. They get through that stuff. What is this? States banning abortion pills? What is an abortion pill? Is that like Plan B? Or is it like better than Plan B? Okay. I have no idea. But, yeah, so this is pretty big news. Pretty big news here. We've been we've been hearing about threats that this could actually happen one day, and yeah, kind of out of nowhere it happened. So, I mean, I'm not going to comment. I don't want to get too political on this. But it kind of does seem like we are regressing. Not my fight, though. But yeah, big news here. Still legal here in New York. This is like the capital of abortion, so a lot of people are going to come here to get their, I'm sure, going to travel here to get their procedures done. And there's a lot of companies now, a lot of corporate companies that are paying their employees, well, not paying, but providing funds for employees to travel to get abortions now. So, you know, it's going to be a never-ending battle. So, you know, in a couple of years, it'll probably be unbanned and then banned again and so on and so forth. But this was big news today. Biggest news of the day. You can't buy a gun if you are being charged for assault, aggravated assault. However, if your case gets dismissed, you can expunge the charge from your record and can legally buy a gun again. Is that in all states? you can't get one for any felony, right? And I think you can't get one for certain misdemeanors. But come on, if you got a record, you could. It's not hard to go get one. You just find someone who will buy it for you, legally. This is not hard to get around. So, like I said, they did something, but in the grand scheme of things, I don't think it's really going to help anything. If people want to go shoot up whatever, they're going to go do it. Is men pregnant, including abortion too? What happened? Men pregnant, can he get abortion? Well, I guess technically a man can get pregnant now. Not a biological man, but, on Netflix, there's he's expecting. There's that movie now. And there's some real life cases I've seen like trans couples having, like the trans men having children, being pregnant and stuff. So I think technically, yes, a man can get an abortion nowadays. Not really sure how it works though. Not my area of expertise. Birth pill is next. USA going backwards. Yeah, that's what it looked like. They're trying to ban the pills now. So I agree. We kind of are going backwards. I don't think it's really my place to have an opinion. I mean, I'm pretty indifferent, to be honest, but it kind of seems like we are going backwards. So, it is what it is, Kind of same thing with, if people want to go get an abortion, they'll go get it. They just have to travel out of state now. They have to travel a decent amount of time. Alright, guys, so, yeah, not too many articles. Oh, we got 2 from Low Roller. So, not too many articles, but pretty important stuff going on today. Looks like we got a few more by Low Roller, so let's pull these up. Is the 20 exponential moving crossing the 50-day exponential bullish? That's what SPY is about to do. In theory, it should be. Let's see here. So I don't have the 20 and the 50, but I have the MACD, which I think is the 9 and the 16, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, kind of similar. I don't think you can really see it. Let me see if I can move my camera here. And zoom out. Yeah, it's a little hard to see, but I'm not going to edit the settings. But down here, yeah, MACD line is about to cross the signal line. So, yes, that is bullish. That is bullish. So you're looking at 20 and 50. I think I'm looking at 9 and 26 or 12 and 26. But yeah, all these moving averages should be turning bullish pretty soon, if it hasn't already. But again, guys, gap up today 379. So probably coming back down there before we rip to the upside again. All right. Cool. Back here. Gay marriage is next. Yeah, I don't think you can reverse gay marriage. That would actually be like a public outrage. 'Cause you can't just like undo your marriage. What if you're already married? You get grandfathered in? I don't think that's gonna happen. That'd be going very backwards. How was your poor Knicks in the draft last night? Oh, we didn't do anything. I didn't even really watch it, but apparently we just traded away our picks for more picks in the future, which I guess is good, but just pretty uneventful, pretty boring yesterday. So we didn't really improve anything. We traded Kemba Walker, and we got a bunch of picks back, and I think we're trying to sign Jalen Brunson. I think that's what we're trying to do. Get more guards. All right, so we got some stuff from Low Roller here. Goldman Sachs raising funds to buy Celsius assets. Goldman Sachs is going to buy Celsius? What the hell?
Bruh.
Well, I guess that's a good thing. I mean, it sucks that Celsius is going bankrupt and going to fail, but hey, all you need is a little bit of a cash injection. So I guess this is a good thing. I guess this is bullish, but still pretty scary and sketchy and sad all around. So it's not confirmed yet, but this would be a pretty big cash injection. $2 billion cash injection to Celsius. That's pretty big news. So I think this is I'm only for this because I don't want the Celsius people to lose their money. I don't really think Goldman Sachs should be buying Celsius, but if it means they're going to get saved, then okay, sure. But that's pretty big news. FTX in talks to acquire part of BlockFi. Didn't they just acquire Robinhood? Oh, I did see this. Yeah, they extended $250 million loan to BlockFi, and then they started raising their rates immediately. I did see that. So, pretty shady. But, alright, cool, I guess. I don't really think you should take your loan and immediately bump up your staking rates, but hope that works out. Still pretty shady there. And what's this? Almost $4 billion in Bitcoin miner loans are coming under stress. Machine prices fall. Interesting. Oh, okay, I see. So, the miners can't pay the loans on the machines that they took money out to buy the machines to mine, and now they can't pay the machines back, so they're going to default. I see. But this really is affecting companies more than anything. Bitfarms, Galaxy Holdings. Alright, so this is more of a Bitcoin company issue, not really individual or retail. But yeah, this definitely is adding more pressure to the overall ecosystem. So this seems pretty bearish. So yeah, miners go into default on their equipment loans now. Very scary stuff. So good stuff today, Low Roller. A lot of big articles here. So yeah, that's all the news for today, guys. We went over some pretty significant stuff, financial and non-financial. Cool. What's this? So the Knicks doesn't have any picks? No, they don't. They traded them. They had the 11 and 13, and they traded both of those guys. If Celsius go bankrupt, then Goldman Sachs go bankrupt. If they don't work out, it would affect the bank industry worldwide if Goldman Sachs collapsed in crypto. I don't think that's necessarily true. If Celsius goes bankrupt, it's not even done yet. But if Celsius goes bankrupt, then Goldman Sachs would definitely take a hit. But I don't think they're going bankrupt. Goldman Sachs is too big to fail, essentially. So I think it's a smart business decision by Goldman Sachs. Kind of like a predatory takeover, hostile takeover. It says winners and losers of 2022 draft. Pistons winner, loser Kevin Durant. Jalen Brunson. Yeah, see, the Knicks want to get Jalen Brunson. G League Ignite. Pelicans winner, loser DeAndre Ayton. The Sixers winner, loser Sportsbooks. OKC Thunder winner. Loser the Knicks. Yeah, they were trying to get Jaden Ivey. and didn't happen. But not a bad draft, not a bad draft. All right, guys, so there's all the articles for today. Good stuff. Let's get on to the TA now. All right. Jalen Brunson doesn't want to leave Dallas. The Knicks get screwed. You never know. You never know. But yeah, no one really wants to go to the Knicks. Not yet, at least. They haven't proven themselves. So, yeah, I don't think we're gonna get him. But there's a chance. There's a chance that they're setting themselves up to be able to get Jalen Brunson. That'd be a big upgrade from Fournier. This guy's not that good. All right. We're at 4 viewers, 7 likes. So, appreciate everyone who's still here.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Shout out to all the fans. And yeah, today is kind of slow, huh? Not so many people coming in and chatting. Kind of weird, kind of weird. You would expect today to be one of the more busy days for the stream. That's all right. All right, so we're doing pretty good on time here. 4:47, and we just have one TA to go over, and the Yolos left. So yeah, we may be done by 5:30. We'll see, we'll see. But yeah, we're getting through the content quickly, and not so many people chatting. So today, if it keeps up like this, if there's not people coming in and chatting, then we should have a pretty short show today. That's cool. All right, so we're gonna do TBLT, Toughbuilt Industries, and that's it. So let me just take a quick drink, and we'll get started on this TA here. Not much to go over. This shouldn't take too long. And then we'll finish up with the Yolos. All right, what happened back here? April 25th. A 150-to-1 reverse split. Wow, that's what happened. Okay. That's a big reverse split. 150-to-1. I don't think I've seen. That's probably one of the biggest ones I've seen. Pause. Yeah, 150-to-1 split. That's crazy. Reverse split. All right. All right, let's do it. Pull this out here. Cool. The Kroger guy, he walked out from work yesterday. It was pissed. He was expecting to do 6 jobs in one day. He expected to clean the office, bathroom, take trash, pick up pallet, IT computer. So he's going to get fired again. I just... You know, this guy, he just complains a lot, and then he just ends up quitting and ends up getting himself fired all the time, so can't really feel too bad. It's his fault at the end of the day, you know. But I guess I feel kind of bad. Oh, well. All right, let's do it. So here is TBLT, Toughbuilt Industries. This finishes at $2.70 today. That is up 55.17%. Winning. Where's the Charlie Sheen?
Winning.
So retail wasn't too active today. But this was the hot retail stock. Had about 4,000 mentions on StockTwits. I believe it was number 3 after SPY and AMC. So today this is worth analyzing. So this is definitely short squeezing here. The squeeze started a few days ago. Because the company came out with some PR saying that they finished their excuse me guys, stuff here today. Because the company came out with some PR saying that they are done with their $6 million public offering. So that was really bullish news. Pumped the stock up. And for the past 2 days, there really hasn't been any news to justify this crazy price action. So it just seems like this is starting to get a lot of retail momentum. Apes jumping in here. Still squeezing the stock up, and it doesn't appear like it's done just yet. So shout out to the apes. Okay, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. I wouldn't stay the job. The company are abusing him. He expects to do everything in one day. Well, yeah, it does seem like a pretty bad job, but he's going to do the same somewhere else, too, no matter how good or bad the job is. It seems to be a pattern, so, he could quit, but he's just going to quit, and he doesn't have any stability. He needs to, actually just stay somewhere and, move up. Anyway, all right. So first of all, this appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 130. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 595. 655, 760. Well, yeah, I guess so. 760, 805, 965, 1035. Yeah, let's redo that. It can be 595, 805, yeah, 595, 595, 655, 805, 1035, 1390, 1485, 1595, or even the high of 20. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Gap down. Where is it? Here it is. Here we have a gap down at 1050. So that is a so that is a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1050 eventually to fill that gap. And today we had a gap up at 180. So that is a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 180 eventually to fill that gap. It appears like the 180 gap will fill it in the short term, and the 1050 gap is going to take a bit longer to fill. That should fill in the long term. In the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 260. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for Monday. That is suggesting that the stock will sell off on Monday. I think I got everything. MACD. Yeah, we won't mention that yet. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. He always picks the wrong job. The only way to save him become YouTuber since he got a lot of followers, donate money since it felt sorry for the guy. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe eventually he can do something on YouTube. It's gonna take a couple of years before he actually makes it a full-time job, though. And I am kind of surprised he does get so many donations, because you would expect his viewers to be poor, but whatever. What up, Finno? Thanks for being here. What's up? Kind of pissed I paper-handed my Revlon shares, but money is money. What are your thoughts on it today after closing? Let me just finish up with TBLT, and we could do a quick look at Revlon. But honestly, I didn't think it would continue to run today. It looks pretty bearish at the moment, to be honest. Still looks like there's squeeze potential, but I thought it'd pull back a bit more. But we'll visit that once again after we're done with TBLT. Yeah, I did a video yesterday saying I think it's going to pull back to around 550, and then it runs up to like 8 or 9 today. So, wrong call there. But I still believe it's going to pull back. We'll get to that in a second, though. All right. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. And please smash that like button, guys, if you haven't yet. All right, I guess we're going to 5. We'll go to 6 and 180. Sure. So right now this is sitting on the support of 270, which I finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 305, 345, 375, 395, 435, 455, 485, 520, 565, 595, and then 655. There is resistance above 655, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 180, 160, 140, and then 130. There is support below 130, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at the current price, 270, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 180 to the downside, the channels start to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 180. RSI is currently at 40. So no longer oversold and undervalued, but still below average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 270 is below fair market value. Should be a little bit higher. And this did 177 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Third largest volume day of the year. Way above the average of 6 million So this pump slash squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. And yeah, today had some massive volume, so definitely short squeezing here. Definitely short squeezing here. And it looks like it's not done just yet. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So, again, there's no real reason to justify this price action today. There must be some pretty shady stuff going on here. In the back. Probably some hedge fund dark pool stuff going on. Because this is definitely squeezing. It shouldn't be, though. Very odd, very odd. Very weird, very odd. So personally, when I see stocks moving like this with no justification, that's a red flag to me, and I'd probably stay away on both sides. But it is high risk, high reward. So if you want to play this, stock right now, please do that at your own risk. Be careful. And there's not too many indicators to go off of here, but this definitely appears to be more. But according to the chart, this appears to be more bullish than bearish. We have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, gap down, aftermarket action. Excuse me, not aftermarket action. And here comes another siren. I think it's going the other way. What up, Henrik? What's up? Please tell me about MMAT. Sure, let me just finish up with this TBLT, and we'll look at Revlon and MMAT for Finno and you. Appreciate you. Please smash the like button, guys. All right, back to this. So there are more bullish indicators than bearish indicators here. We have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, gap down, low RSI, and we have bearish indicators in the gap up and aftermarket action. So overall, the chart does appear to be slightly bullish. Hard to say, though. To me, it looks like there might be more. To me, it looks like there might be more. There might be more upside to go. But I think this is going to pull back pretty significantly, down to 180 to fill the gap. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that. Not saying it's a bad play, but again, no real reason to justify this price action. So I don't want to get caught up in this shady hedge fund dark pool manipulation stuff. You're pretty much at the mercy of the hedge funds. Whoever's manipulating this right now. So while it can pay off pretty big, a little too risky for my liking, I would just avoid it altogether. But I will say, well, I think going long right here would be a straight up gamble, not really an investment. High risk, high reward. So if you want to gamble, go ahead, do the extra own risk. But yeah, logically, I think it's better to sit this one out on the long side. That being said, again, there are gaps to fill at 1050 and 180, and from the current price 270. Well, let's go to 180 first. And from the current price 270, that would be about a 35% downside to 180. And about a 290% upside to 1050. So in the short term, I'd stay away from this on the long side. But longer term, it does appear to be pretty bullish. I would say going long for the long term would be a high risk, very high reward play, and it is worth a shot. 270 isn't an excellent entry, but it's an above average entry. So I can't support going long at 270 and lower. So I can't support going long at 270 for the long term, but personally, I would try to get this back at 180. Good chance it comes back there to fill the gap, and I think that'd be a very excellent entry. So yeah, I wouldn't go long in the short term, but in the long term, you can make a case for buying and holding at the current price and lower. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I also would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Not saying it's bad play, but again, just no real reason to justify this price action today. And if you don't know what's going on, it's better just to stay away from this altogether. So you're not at the mercy of the hedge funds and the manipulators. So honestly, 270 isn't a bad entry. So honestly, 270 isn't a great entry on the short side. It's a below average entry. According to the RSI. But you should be able to make 35% on the downside here. Again, I do believe this will pull back down to 180 to fill the gap. And again, there's a 290% upside potential to fill the gap at 1050. So I would say going short here would be a very high risk, high reward play. Not worth it in my opinion. Too risky. But it can work out, and there is a lot of downside potential. So personally, I wouldn't go for it. Too risky for my liking, but if but if you want to get a little risky here, there's a good chance you can make 35% to the downside here. It can pay off pretty big. So I don't think it's the greatest play. But if you want to go short here, Please do that at your own risk, and I would say cover at 180 where the gap is for a 35% downside gain. Okay, so pretty straightforward, guys. No idea why this is squeezing today. Doesn't really make too much sense, but here we are. Looks like the squeeze is still on. A lot of upside potential still in the short and long terms. But also a good amount of downside potential as well. So if you want to go long, I'd avoid this in the short term. Very hard to predict where it's going to go. But if you're in this for the long term, 270 is not a bad entry. I can't support going along here, but I think 180 would be a much better entry for the long term. It should come back down there. It should come back down there to fill the gap in the short term. And if you want to go short, not financial advice. It looks too risky to me. I wouldn't really recommend it. But there is a good amount of downside potential, and you can make about 35% to the downside here. So a bit risky, but can pay off pretty big. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk, and I would say cover at 180 where the gap is. And I would say cover at 180 where the gap is. Get in, get your money, get out. So it appears like there are opportunities to make money on both sides here. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is TBLT Toughbuilt Industries. All right, that took a little longer than I expected, but we got that done. What's up, Ken? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Glad you could make the show. Appreciate you, as always, and appreciate everyone who's still here. All right, so let's look at Revlon and MMAT for Henrik and Finno. You think it's going to fill the gap first before upside on TBLT? Honestly, yes. Yes, I think so. So, yeah, not financial advice, but probably yes. So, yeah, I'd go long at 180. And it's a bit risky to short, but I think it will pull back to fill the gap first, yes. SPY less than 370, bearish. SPY above 390, bullish. Anything in between is range, chop, low, fellas. What do you think? That's what it seems like. Right now it's consolidation. I think we're over 390 now. But yeah, I think it's going to pull back to 380 to fill the gap. There was a gap created today before we go to the upside again. So I think, in the relative short term, we're going to trade pretty sideways for a while. Can you do box BOXD for me? Sorry, I sold Rev, so I don't really care. Haha. Yeah, sure. Well, you wanted Rev, didn't you? Yeah, so let's look at Rev and BOXD real quick. But yeah, so Rev, I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of bullish, but it is pulling back in the aftermarket here, so that's a bearish indicator. RSI is at 50 or 66 again, so on the higher side. Yeah, I didn't really think it would pump today, but it did. And but I'm gonna stick to what I said. I think it's gonna pull back to 550, and then maybe it'll go to the upside again. But yeah, it looks like the squeeze is not done just yet. But I think it's going to pull back to 550 before it rips again. We'll see though. I said 7 to 550. But, so it did fill 7. I think 550 is still coming. We'll see. So yeah, just my opinion, not financial advice. I think it's coming back down to 550 first, and then it should start to reverse from there. As for BOXD, yeah, we didn't do TA, but I looked at this. Someone asked me about this the other day. One of our subs in the community. So this one looks really bullish. 32 RSI, so no longer overbought or oversold and undervalued, but still pretty low there. Gap at 550, or 540, 530. Gap at 530, so this should fill at 530, and part of it cup and handle. So this can come back to over 11, over 15 in the long term. So yeah, really, and it's going up in the aftermarket, so that's bullish as well. So yeah, and the MACD as well, also crossing. So a lot of bullish indicators here. Cup and handle, gap down, RSI, MACD, aftermarket action. Tons of bullish indicators, no bearish or neutral indicators. So this one looks really good to me in the short and long terms. Not financial advice. And let's look at MMAT. Just going to wait for 5 on Rev. All right, I think that's a good entry. Yeah, I'd say 550, but yeah, 5 could go back down to 5 as well. So, good plan. Always got to have a plan. I agree. I would say 550. Thoughts for Monday next week? Well, I think it's going to pull back to 380 because big day today. But it did create a gap here at 379. So next week, I think we're coming back down to 379, and then hopefully we rip from there. Hopefully. What's up, Brucey? What's up? Shalom, are you Jewish? Good to see the show. Glad to have you here, dude. So it looks like people starting to come in at the end here, or in the middle and the end of the show, which is cool because we started pretty slow. Please smash that like button, guys. MMAT going triple digit. Raw Coco got 1K share. MMAT. Yeah, this one is pretty bad today. So I didn't even see this really until later, but yeah, they have a $50 million offering. That is a huge offering. So let's check it out. This graph looks really different. Because time has passed, but okay. So it looks like it's holding pretty strong at 110, which is what it hit today. So, so long term it does look bullish. There's no gaps anymore, but big cup and handle. RSI is currently at 37, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but on the lower end there, so could be a good buying opportunity soon. Yeah, I think it's going to pull back a little bit more in the next few days. Because, just general volatility after a big offering like this. But looks like 110 is a really good entry. So I'd set the buy orders to 110. And then, shouldn't really go lower than that. But if it does, next ones I have are 88 cents, 69 cents, lol, nice, and then 42 cents. So, yeah, it's been pretty rough for MMAT, but, you know, it can only go down so much more. This is the yearly low. Strong support there. Hopefully it doesn't go down lower. But if it does, then, yeah, you can average down at the supports that I just mentioned. So, 110, 88, 69, 42. Hope that answers your question, Henrik. And Ken. And Henrik. Whoever's in MMAT, if you're bag holding, you know, maybe sell covered calls. Not financial advice, but Pretty good IV, and that's a good way to average down while you're bag holding. My average for box D is 2. Alright, dude, so you're up. Good amount already. 30%, it looks like. So that's some pretty big gains already, and looks like there's a lot more to go. So congrats to you so far, Finno. And good luck. Good luck with that play. Hope it works out. Just don't get too greedy, you know. Looks like there's a lot more upside to go, but don't get too greedy. Have an exit plan. So congrats to you so far, and good luck, man. Alright, guys. So that's all the TA for today. Let's finish up with the Yolos here. And if you guys have anything else, questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything, put it in the chat right now, and we'll get to that before we end the show. But for now, we'll just finish up with the Yolos. So let me check on YouTube real quick while I pull this up. We're at 8 viewers, 12 likes, so thank you guys. Appreciate everyone who's currently here, who's still here, currently here, stuck through TA. And shout out to everyone who was here before.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Show started a little slow, but a lot of people coming in now, recently. So appreciate everyone, and please smash that like button if you haven't yet. Alright. Whoops, what did I just do? Alright, give me a second here. Let me pull up the Yolos. So there was like a good amount of stuff to talk about today. It's just not too many mentions. Yeah, TBLT 3800. Revlon 3300. I don't want to talk about Revlon again. Box D, BOXD 2500, 40%. So Box D would have been good to talk about, but maybe I should do some extra content. And then there's MMAT. 2540, down 40%. And then Polestar. So maybe I should talk about BOXD. I don't know. We're not going to do it now, but maybe I'll do some extra content after the show. I'm bag at MMAT. 700 down. What a scam. Don't they have cash on hand? No, they don't. If they did, they would wouldn't be asking for $50 million offering. Alright, still loading, but I think we'll get started here. Alright guys, so today should be fun. I got 9 Yolos here, mostly memes, and Lost Coin. Should be fun. Good way to end the week. So let's do it. So this first one's by Future Trouble, 1234. When Moon lunch special to celebrate the move of Poopadell to Miami, looking for friendlier political coverage from legal woes to mask massive layoffs. So, here's When Moon Chinese Restaurant. Where's my meme for that? When Moon? Sounds more Korean, but okay. When Moon Chinese Restaurant, lunch special, hedge fund only, 500K. Kenny is asshole. Asshole. So he's talking about Ken Griffin from Citadel. So shout out to the One Moon Chinese Restaurant. Wonder where this is. But I like the sense of humor. Good stuff. Alright, this is by Oscar 88895. Hashtag Rainbow Bulls got me. All right, so this looks like futures here. Tech futures. And he was short. And yeah, this is pretty bad. So he's down like over 570K here.
And it's gone.
So I don't really do futures too much, and we don't really talk about it much here. But this stuff is even riskier than options. I'm surprised more Wall Street Bets apes don't play futures. Probably a good thing they don't, because this would happen. But yeah, this is some of the biggest loss corn we've seen on this site here, 570K. So, yep, high risk, high reward. Hope this guy's okay. That's a lot of money. And yeah, I'd advise staying away from the futures, guys. If you can't even do the options, don't do the futures. So, good stuff. So this is by Addicted to Stuff 3. I belong here. Yeah, so I don't know what he did, but he's down 100% all time. 157K.
And it's gone.
I'm going to assume it's FD Yolos and probably just that. FD Yolos. FD and margin. So, yeah, ouch. Ouch. But hey, you got, would that be like 50 years? 50 years of, tax write-offs. So, very unfortunate. But hope you make your money back. Yeah, it really sucks. Show with the FDs, guys. This is what's going to happen. Alright, by Pension Alarming, 9351. Lost corn for you bulls. Same thing. So not as bad. This guy's down 71K. 71K today? What? Damn. Alright, that's pretty bad. So he lost 71K in one day, down 40%. Don't know how that happened. Maybe big FDs? Margin? I don't know. But somehow he lost 40% of his portfolio in one day. Still has 105K though, so still a lot of money. But I want to know how he lost 71K. Big loss corn. SPY puts. That's what it is. SPY puts. So I don't know why he YOLO'd so much of his account on SPY puts. I guess it would have paid off real big, but yeah, this hurts. So big loss corn. Sucks. Chill out, dude. You still got a lot of money. Put it in SPY, like stock. And you'll be okay your whole life. But good stuff. So sorry for your loss. Pension Alarming. Thanks for hosting. Good luck to you. Alright, this is by Jexley. My puts got wrecked by SPY yesterday and today. Was so close to breaking even. Yeah, so more SPY FDs. Down 33.5K. Just a lot of general loss corn here. This one's by Third Legatron. Nice. Account gone. So yeah, this guy's down 100%. 27.5K. In 5 years, so not that bad. But what's up with this price action here? Big price action came in the last year, it looks like. All the way to 0.
And it's gone.
Oh, a little bit of lag there.
And it's gone.
So it looks like around here is when he discovered options and blew up his account. So yeah, not nearly as bad, 27.5K, but yeah, you gotta chill with the options. So good stuff, good loss scored. Not too bad, hope you make your money back, dude. Alright, by Nom4. Learned the new genius trading technique to lower cost average. How did I do? Alright, so this one's interesting. I like this one a lot. Not literally, but this is what happens when you play naked options. Which I never recommend you guys do. Always, sell covered options. Either cash secured or covered calls. Cash secured puts or covered calls. don't play naked options. Don't sell naked puts, naked calls. Because that's what happened to GME. That's what happened to Melvin, and they got wrecked. So, yeah, this guy's short. This guy sold 37 calls for Alibaba. 110 strike. Naked options. So, right now he's down 21K. Down 700%. Because Alibaba's in the money. It's like 117 now, so. Yeah, when it works, you know, it's a good play because you don't really have to give up any capital. But when it goes wrong, it goes really wrong. So yeah, guys, I like selling options, but make sure it's covered. Make sure it's secured. Don't sell naked options, or you can get really screwed like this. So you don't see this too often. But good educational stuff here. Hope you guys can learn. So yeah, chill with the FDs and chill with the naked FDs for sure. So sorry for your loss, dude. Hope this works out for you. Oh, it expired today, so yeah, it expired in the money. He's got wrecked 20K. Sucks. Alright, this is by Hello Goodbye. I choose the expensive course for learning options. Yeah, same thing. Not that bad, down 81.5%. 8,400 for the year, so he still has 1,900. But yeah. This is what happens when you play options. You discover options, you lose all your money. Alright, and last one by ConnectPay5529. Just lost 6K of my account value by mistake. Thought I was purchasing a call. So this guy fat fingered. I don't know if it's a fat finger, but he misclicked. So yeah, he thought he was buying a call, but he bought a put instead. So he should have made a good amount of money. Instead, he's losing money here. Sucks, but good content. But yeah, I'd be pretty pissed if this was me. So 6K misclick. Sucks, but happens to the best of us. But alright, guys, so that is the show for today. So we did pretty good on time here. A little over an hour and a half, so we're finishing pretty much on schedule. So a pretty good show. Not too much to cover, and the show started a little slow, but a lot of people coming here later in the show, so appreciate everyone. I think this was a pretty successful show. I think I'm going to do some extra content on BOXD right now, because that was pretty good stock as well. But yeah, you know, great day today. Stock market, crypto. Not much to talk about. Not too much content to go over. Not too much financial content, at least. But yeah, thank you guys for kicking it. Happy Friday. Have a good weekend. Catch you guys back on Monday. So hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. And yeah, anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Put in the chat right now. Charts, anything? Put in the chat right now. We'll get to that and we'll get out of here. What up, Wilson? What's up, dude? Were you here before, or you just come in? I think you just came in. So what's up? What's up, dude?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
All right. So we did talk about MMAT, but we'll just go over it again real quick. So I think it looks pretty bullish at this point. I think it's gonna pull back a little bit more, but really can't go too much lower. I think a good entry would be 110. So 110, 88 cents, 69 cents, lol, nice, and then 42 cents. So I don't know if it's gonna break 110. There's some very strong support there, but yeah, that's where my entries would be: 110, 88, 69, 42. And that's literally the all-time lows, so yeah, pretty oversold right now, undervalued. Really shouldn't go too much lower, and that's where I would enter and average down at. So hope that answers your question, Wilson, and thanks for being here, dude. Oops. All right. Anything else, guys? Anything else? All right, I think that's it. No one's saying anything. So, yeah, shout out to everyone. Great show today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good weekend. And catch you guys on Monday. Cool. Let's get out of here. Let me just double check YouTube one more time. Yeah, 3 viewers, so most people left. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See ya, guys. Oh my god. Of course. Never fails. Never, ever, ever fails, huh? I swear I need to get out of New York. It's a loud one, too. Alright. My apologies. Let's finish up here. Alright, one more time. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out. Cool. All right. So peace out, everyone. Catch you Monday. Catch you on Discord.